Hello students, this is Miss Parker, one of your librarians at school. I wanted to talk to you today about something that will help you in school from now until you graduate, and even after that, especially in college. The American Association of School Librarians has a framework of standards, or a set of skills, that tells us what we need to learn how to do. We're going to focus on two of these standards today that tell us that we not only need to seek a variety of sources appropriate to our task, but also we need to question and assess the validity or accuracy of the information we discover. We need to know the information that we get is not only true, but is true in many different places. Our objective today is to explore a variety of website and search engines in order to familiarize ourselves with appropriate resources. Now, why do we need to know this? First of all, the state says that we do. The TEKS, or Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, for 6th graders, tell us that we need to figure out how to find lots of sources on a topic, and not only that, but prove that these sources are really the real deal. Also, you will begin writing more and more research assignments in school, and not just in English class. This lesson today will help you know how to find as much information on a topic as you can, but not just any information. It's usually safe to start gathering information from proven academic and research-backed resources. Now, to the right of your screen, in the yellow boxes, you will find websites and search engines that I have pulled together for you to investigate. The two titled Social Bookmarking are great for compiling or gathering sites you have found that are academic and relevant to your research topic. Diigo is one of my favorites. You will have to sign up for an account, but it is free and easy, and I can help you if you would like. These sites help you keep all of your resources together once you find the ones that you want to use. And the great thing about that is that you can access it anywhere at any time as long as you have internet and your login information. Now, if you look over to your left in the blue box, I have a discussion question for you. I want you to think about the similarities and differences between academic search engines or professional academic websites, such as the ones in the yellow boxes over here, and other sites, such as Google, regular Google, Wikipedia, and social media. Your social media being Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and the like. Now, I did say Google, and I do have some Google websites over here in the yellow boxes. The differences between these is that this one right here is Google Scholar, which searches articles, and this one right here is Google Books, that searches for books. These are proven, published articles or books that will have information that is research-backed. Now to the question. Why do we need to use a multitude of sources backed by research when searching for information online? I would like you to respond by creating a post of your own using the plus at the bottom right hand of the screen. Thank you.